Amen. Yami wo biara ma menye no kware dance for ma wura. Ebre bi no mo predi bie wura ma menni no kre e wo hei. Yami sre no. Me sre ma me ho. Na me sre ma wonso. Se ba bi biara ye wo biara no. Ye betimi agina ma wurade. Ye betimi aye no kwafo ma wurade. Ye betimi aye nipa a onyame de nani ebeto yenso. Heaven can depend on you and I. Unyame adom pempenso a wode aba. Ye kanyamsem ye revival ne dru kuada ne ehunu se ye kwawieye. Na wotwi firi memenda ebisi ne eden wanya ase obotom. Eden wa peke. Eden na mapeke. A me giri se betimi aboa me nyame som, especially ofiehwefo dwumadie a onyame de ahye yensa no. Eden na me nya firi mu na eden na wonso wanya firi mu ebesi ne wukui mebisawo. Eden ene wanya na eden ena wode ko. Ena eden na wode kan abrabɔ ho. Onyame som ho amana boa. Se unyanya bi a mempai boni se unyame bekoso aboa ye. Na ye bete na semwase. Ye benya na semu ntiaseɛ eni nhrumu ye tibia nante na kwan so. Ya ye ne ono Awurade ɔhwehwɛ. Enti ne memo akwaba ebe dwumadie iso. Mpai boni se unyame enkasa nkyerɛ yen. Unyini ho adi nkyerɛ yen. Omfa ne hom kronkron so nkasa nkyerɛ me no mienu. Ma ye ntimi si adwen pi. Ye nhyɛ n'animonyam ye nipaduam. Ene asemfua pɛ ene ye ka ho asem. Obroni si faithfulness. Ye twi ne se so obehu se wo ye den, wo ye no kwarefo. Saa na ye twi no ede mayen. Na afei de wo hwehwɛ firi ofiehwɛfo ne ho ne se obiara behu no se oye no kwafo. No kwaredie, faithfulness. Some ye no kwafo. Sa obeye no kwafo. Eno enene ye hwehwɛ ho akwan. Ye besua. Asɛm baako pɛ ene wo ka ho asɛm sɛ dimu. Se ofiehwɛfo. Menu mienu yesua yate ase ye hunu ye ka ofiehwɛfo no what it means. Na wo se onyame hwehwɛ hwemfiri wo ho. Won hwehwɛ hwemfiri mi ho se o me ye ohwɛfo yi obehu me se me ye no kwafo. Wo ye ohwɛfo yi onyame behu se wo ye no kwafo. Ofiehwɛfo no no kuredie ene onyame ehwehwɛ afiri ye nkyɛn. Abasɛm bi kyerɛ se abrantie bi trans na wo hwɛ na brabɔ sɛ ne nneɛma ɛkɔ ene ade a oba sɔre da bia o si o enka mi wo sika extra ebro ni aminya isu a o nka me ye nyame dwuma dodo se mi wo extra time enka me ye dwuma dodo se enka me wo extra talent o nka me se nyame animonyam nanso me ne enye mini skills bia ebro so minim se ne edi nipanim mintumi enwini I don't think cleverly and quickly. I wish God would bless me. God would endow me. God will enable me to be able to do much. And wha unyame hweye e kan na koma. And was meboa bebe. No unyame ma unya sika. Unya sika mu no unya brenso. No unya breno so unyame sa de domo achede e man. But the man never used any of this. He took all those things for granted. One fanya juma. And inti areho semene se, onyame eje sa nneɛma ni nyina efiri ne nkyɛn. Afei onua no kan say, if only I had some money. Or say, if only senka metimi asenya sika. Metimi asenya bre. Metimi anya sebe talent ahodoɔ no fofra. Enka meyi onyame adwuma. Afei de ɔka kyerɛ ne namfofoɔ sɛ enam so onyame agye saa nneɛma no nyinaa nti no. I'm not even sure if I believe in God. Minu mienu sa na yetie. Edrumre bia na yebɔ mpa ye se minya sika pa se ne meka nyamsem. Se minya bre pa se ne akragye adwuma meye. Se me woni anka se ne meto nwom. Ye ka we nyina. Bedrumre bia onyame otie ne aye ka ne nyina na wabie kwan ahodo amaye. Bare hosem ne se ye mu. Ya ahotomu ebre mpo ye wo bre no ne ye wrafi. Ni ya osi ye edeboa onyame adwuma. Enne onyame si ade ba akopɛ en wo wiwe firi me ho. Ade ba akopɛ en wo wiwe firi wo ho nukuredie. Bible wa kenkan asɛm ya esi ya ni suwe no. Enne ye hwemu. Onyame si ade ehia. Bro se ube ye successful. Ube ye nkunimdifo wo dwumadi ahodo a wudie mu enyina mu no ne se. Ube ye nokwafo. Me ye nokwafo. Faithfulness is so important. You see, in this world, no, there is something that is better, that is bigger than being successful, and that is faithfulness. I'm saying maybe me can base me tremo. Ya Mother Teresa nka. Ya Mother Teresa ho asem. Roman asofo man na say sebe wo sisters no bi I from say nan no. Ena ma mi o free Europe oko India e ho no so oko enyame adwuma. Okoye ni famu die no krem. Oye adwuma ye si India ho no sebe ehiafo ho pa. Nanso ono de the poorest among the poorest. Ehiafo mu ehiafo. Mobrofo mu mobrofo. Wonga woni bie. Ono mu no okoye. Sebe akwatafo ena no hwe won. Ayarefo ene yede won ba ne ho. No hwe won. Na dakrubi. Obi ko ho. Ene oni ni didi nkomo. No busane na dwuma wo ye no sebe aye successful sign na eko bibi ekoyie anase se because but tiny nyina ne se we ya wo ye nyina no de beji akra nanso yenim se India fo no efa kase na ye Buddhist ni Hinduism no ne ade ne wo ho enunti no emma dwuma wo ye no na nso aba papa na nipa ni bisa ne se enti dien ene hye wo den edien na ma wutumi koso ye adwuma edien na da biara wo ye adwuma e wo ha bia sebe enye papa si. See, we are not called here, or we are not here to be successful. We are here to be faithful. We are not here to be successful. We are here to be what? Faithful. Unyame amfreme se memraha se meye nkunimdifo nemum se meye nokwafo enunti na me wo ha enunti na meye adwuma enuanom agidifo wo Kristo mu. The job description of a steward is contained in a single word: faithfulness. It is required of stewards that one be found what? Faithful. Me starti madwuma me koye adwuma wo kononwo mpatemu na me kai se mrebi ye stewardship week. Entibasa conference no mobilize nipa promoters no mo aba district no mo akwasori bia mu no mo akoye promotion. Na me kai pa say as a young minister na me church stewardship ho asem na me bisa yese edien ene ye so important about stewardship ofiehwefo adwuma no say na sifatie ye betimi no kwafo kwan be ne ye betimi ameza ye ngidie ene ye nukuredie ewo nyame mu ewo nyamesom mu efa ofiehwefo adwuma no me kai se onua bia emu aye wo yi me ne se osofo sebe me gira hoi ose me ti hoi unnim me salary boso me nso a me nko ana me kɔgye me salary ene ma tra me dem ena se check na me de bekɔ se nso se tight no sika ena me de bekɔ a mia na me te me tight ya me de kɔ obia ni aso dem ho a sebe Unim me salary, menkwana minim, minimi nyamentem. Enti se metimi aye no kwafo, na me de mentutu so dudu na ko no kuremu a, eno ne trese, me ye jidi ni amapa. Eno ne trese, me ye no kwafo, pusu me. Sa asem na unuane kaye, ne de bia me kai. In my own, the privacy of my home, the privacy of my life, mi ankasa me kukuom, mi ankasa me fiemu, bebia obi ehumie, onyame si menye no kwafo, obi che misika, menye sika bia, obi ere nim, niamde bebe biara, so mpanimfo beje, omde ato ho, ni ama me receipt, se, ampa, sebe, osofo onua somasi obenten nia wode aba ebeboa wonyame adwumani no onukredie minukredie eyade a ehia na so me ye no kwafo mintutu so dudum memma so aforibom asori dan sie etuo a ye tuatua no me ye no kwafo wom a private life saying it here. So be whom say, we ye no kwafo. So be whom say, me ye no kwafo. What is behind this word? Faithfulness. What does it mean to be faithful? Dictionary need define faithful or say constant. Adia ye jina ho, adia koswo, adia ensesa. Trustworthy. Obia obetimia jinedi. Showing a strong sense of duty or responsibility. Eduma yedia shawunsa, odia hopepre, odia nije, and eye, conscientious, was sinna DP, when nimnia warrior, reliable. Bet me dear Huatonus. Imudia hena wujina. Imudia hena miwum. Are you constant in your giving? Are you constant in your Christian life? Are you trustworthy? You bet me a jiwedi, you bet me the want to so. Ye kasampa, openia sumesi, edrum rebi kredi zika emu obi ani esru. Imudi ewa hena mijina. Constant, conscientious. You are reliable. You bet me the hon atos. Sanu, you bet me a kafa hon. Anasi you bet me a kan afame. To be faithful means trustworthy. Obia ye jiwudi obia ntimi nka ho asembone obia nimsampa uye no kwafo. You are worthy of your master's complete trust and confidence. Are you a trustworthy Christian? Can the Lord place his complete trust and confidence in you? And as I say it here, bisa ho minsumi bisa me ho. Enya wonko na me ka kire me nso me ka kire me ho. Nipa hu me hu me sen. Can I be trusted? And as I say it here, nipa ni so no onyame nso ani so e. De ne ka efa me ho. You know, we are living in an age where there is very little trust between human beings. Nipa bebre ni yehu ni. Ewiase a yetimu no baby a yedru no sa na akoba se nokredie asa enu nti you cannot trust. Oye papa mpa na usuro. Unim ni obi beka, unim ni obi ye no wakire, unim ni ekoso. Edrum rebi e se wada na sebe wona agu abonten. Wo de onim se bibie ekoyie. Nanso enye sa na tie. A story is told about obi a sebe. You see in one nam southern part of Alabama. You see how she it is a Ghana in fifre till. No one namu and wo to so be ton watermelon. And wo jinaye no bisa watermelon nebo say. And your water say $1.10. One didn't start two ni bottom. Unfortunately, I didn't start two ni bottom no. Isika aka ne ho nyina and the last they $1. No say masa. All I have is $1. No say nyewe fabra. I will trust you for it. You all ton ade no cancer say what the fabra. Una wosi $1 per hour me judi inti meji. Akwa say wow, that is nice of you. This is a mighty nice of you. na nia gye eno nwanwa se sebi ni sika enso na enso onua ne so ode sebi obeton ade na mana na bibi etisa oda na se no fa watermelon and walk and akwa say hey where are you going and obisa no say ne oton ne man na wo kwan no say oh me kwa kope ba bia tra no medi me watermelon no say na sika no $1 na wo ka say ode ban e wo he o say me ka say wo ka say you can trust me for it no nti no chesa wo de acheme enti ehia say metua bibia sa na yeti o me nu mienu obi peso ye papa no ne ya dane na mana ye bibi foforo and God must feel like that man running the watermelon stand no sometimes he feels maybe he can trust us for the dime but he is not sure about the $1 kumanu di obetimi a trusting you with it no ma ye kese e no so eti sen yenya kuma dia ye yi tight na ye hope ye dimirika mane 10,000 manu 20,000 e ho na afa ni ye be start 10,000 1,000 as say no so metimi dia ye yo metimi dia ye say yo metimi dia ye say afa na ye hunu say ye betimi dia ye bibi pa. God is completely worthy of our trust in him. He is always faithful. A faithful steward is trustworthy all the way. And your baby and now you're no kwafo baby are true. You should be dependable. I should be dependable. Obi ebet me dia ho so he can be counted on. And you mo ayeto. See, great is thy faithfulness. Ono kwari die doso. Yesu onyame adania dani biare ninimu. Oye no kwafo na ne no kredie efra want to aswoso e de kosia want to aswoso senia we dealing with us no edrum bia yenya ye transia na ye nwanwa ye to sa anwumye. There is another hymn awomoto eno so say I am satisfied. I am satisfied. I am satisfied with Jesus. And when I'm singing this song, the question that comes to me is, as I think of Calvary, is the Master satisfied with me? So me hear Calvary. Near Christo Yesu ye mami. Near Christo Yesu ayenwa. So fu sebunsu. Nyame menso. Is he satisfied with me? As opening. Is God satisfied with you? Is God satisfied with you, brother? So is God satisfied with you? Is God satisfied with me? And as I saying it here, or no dear you say, no quaridino, a doson. If I want to atwaswo, edikosia want to atwaswo, one sakrada, what is sending our tear, and nura any da pim with Tim Hoda. Na men swear. Now one swear. Are we faithful? Say, ampa, heaven can depend on us. To be faithful means to be responsible. Responsible. We are a responsible person. Also, wait me a catcher or say, what di kakremu no kre. Inti be sen ko we jani jimu. Unyame de dwumadie kese e na aso yenso. Adwumadie kese na odi ahye yensa. Ohwehwe se ye be ye adwuma. Ye odi amma yen, unyame de amma ye odi ahye yensa. All we hold in our hands, every cent we possess, every talent, every gift, every hour of the day, every resources, every opportunity belongs to God. We are responsible for all of it, to care for it, and use it all to his glory. Are you a responsible steward? And as a sanity, are you a responsible steward of all God has placed in your hands? Do you take seriously the opportunities God gives you to serve in this church? ubenya chefa wo mu no wasom wo mu eya kwanya mame so nyame be hwe me so onimimre ye wonimisi nto nyinara nanso wode na dwuma be hye me nsa wode na dwuma be hye wo nsa obemi enya chefa e wo na dwuma mu sakraje adwuma no yenso yenya chefa wo. It is just an opportunity and we should be grateful. Ni onyame dia hye yensam biara e wose ye de anigye eni nsiyo eye adwuma ne hye ne din kronkron ni monyam. To be faithful means to be persistent. Ukramu, unyemu, ohaumu, amaniemu, we are on the move. To be faithful means persistent and to never give up. That is it. Never give up. The faithful Christian stays in the battle until the battle is won. He is therefore, she is therefore ready for the long haul. He has or she has no timetable set for quitting. Are you there, somebody? Uye jemu. Wabamu abu. Aso den yesasi ache. Ene ya jisika aji. Ene yaba for the abo. You want to quit, but I want to tell you, do not quit. Enyemu yenwiye yesi etrente ya yenyai echeswa. Are you there, somebody? Etrente ya yenyeden yenyai echeswa. Be thou faithful to the end, and I will give thee the crown of life. God says in Revelation, di nukure kodru owuom. Wankase di nukure no ekosi bebi, wasi di nukure kodru owuom na mema wo enkwa abotri. God expects us to be faithful and faithful to the very end. God doesn't want quitters. Ote, so we ye jemwa, obamu abu, na yesasi ache, onkasi ebekomu August aba, yenkomu, enzise kura yeninda ebekomu, ena hwa, na fei abasamutuo ebam. Jina hopinti ime urade, enkechi, unyame mre ne mrepa. When the time comes for us to go in, yebekomu enijiemu, yebekomu ahusepemu, yebekomu ye denyame ase yebehu se ampa sebe ye bre no anyekwa wose di nukure koduro wuom na mema wo nkwambotre ye koduro honhom eno no onyame hwe firi ho eno no wo hwe firi mi ho si yebe ye yokoduro yebenya yokoduro honhom akoduro ase. Have you ever heard of the Quitters Club? It is one of the largest organizations, especially in America here. Quitters Club. Wanga wontumi nkuramu no ojemu ntentem no wo mu okuo kasie bi minim so watu wo nka watu wo din pa well ebia onti wo din epe. The reason you have never heard of the Quitters Club is because they never meet. Womunye meeting. Members are always what? Quitting. And I'm saying to you, omu meeting kromu ntimi nye wonu ntua dues because the members quit paying them. Bibi biara ombeka so mu ye biara Quitters Club no enye ye entimi nyina efrise members no they are quitters. They are always ready to quit. The Quitters Club, it is composed of people who faced a tough job, tough marriage, tough sickness, a tough job at the workplace, and they quit. Quitters Club, no. Imuye dia no mudwane. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. But the quitters just quit. What we need in America and in our society and in the church are people who are not quitters. That is not what we are looking for. They exhibit good old-fashioned stick-to-it mentality. Ukuremu, yasomui, yasasiye, yebewien kunimdiem ase onyame animonyam. If you are a faithful steward, you will not be a quitter. God doesn't want any quitters on his team. He wants courageous men and women who will stick to the task until the task is done. Are you there, somebody? Are you in the Quitters Club? Imuna wana eni esel sapo munsuo na yemwie yebewie nso enkunimdiem onyame adum nti The team ne di animu no womo ye adwuma onyame afo mo so ye adwuma ne nkunimdie beba ahye ne din kronkron mu. Enti say why you adwen say wo quit here, don't quit. Meaning for the way ne beya for the cashier if I saw down who we cut to and nunti we have to finish hard. Finish hard. Shasia hodimu yenwia hodimu onyame adum mu miminde ya for dia ye bono ye hwehwe for the cashier ye hwehwe wo ma cashier ye hwehwe for dia edimu afa ye wia opani champion ni team no ba o beka say ye asafoma eye ye damo ase eye muntwa so mo yenye sanhye onyame animu onyam Israel ma ye sa mra sorry dan wo mu sinto madan no yes wo mo de baaye afa yes ye hold on enough munyai sana me pesi ye kamfa first Ghana ho. Again, to be faithful means to be obedient. We are sutie me urade. Ni urade be kamitie, ni urade be kawutie. A slave is not a slave unless he or she renders absolute obedience to his or her master. Nyakwa. Aji se we are sutie ema ura. Ntina Yesu Kristo awani ye ura no. Uye ye nenkoa. Sana Bible no ma yeti asiye. Sana Paul ka ho asem. Ye nenkoa. We are slaves of Jesus Christ. And nunti slaves no e was ye obedient. Ye tie ye ura no. Okane sa John chapter 14 verse 15. Was it if you love me, keep my commandments. Sawudomi ayedei di mashedi yeso. Are you obedient to God's command? In relation to tithe, in relation to offering, in relation to church building fund. Sani emami ensen, we are no kwafum. Christian discipleship involves radical obedience to all that our Lord commands us. Radical obedience. Sebe, akada fo jidie ni bi, enu ni ehia. Ewo nyame sum no. Jidie a etim ho. Jidie a ehihim. Jidie a ensesa. To be faithful means to be what? Obedient. Beya sutie ama urade. Faithfulness in stewardship means we use what God has given us for his service. Ni onyame dia dom yen, ni onyame dia hyira yen no, ene yen so ye de ye onyame adwuma. God blesses this man with wealth, talent, and time. But he did not use it responsibly. Sani yesua no wo Matthew nsempa, etre ye duonu enum. Anchiche mu duna ekosi aduasa no. Parable of the talents no. Samu be kaya. Osu onyame hyira no. Onyame ma won anas wo mu wura no tu kwan no. Oma baako num, oma baako mienu, oma baako obia ho odin so. Sene na ho odin tie en wode ma won. Ba rehosam ne se. Ni okure onya enum ekoye enum adwuma nya enum. Ni onya mienu eye mienu adwuma nya enya mienu ka ho. Ba ne edi baako no ma no de wanye den wamfa anya adwuma. Ebire ye wasori mu asa na etie. Yakeka ye talent ya hye. Yakeka ye ahoɔden ahye. Yakeka ne yesi etimi ye na yeden ahye. Onyame ba. Edien na wo ye de abo anyame adwuma no. Edien na wo ye ama onyame adwuma no akoso. As a steward, ofiehwefo awosi ehun se wo ye nokre. Wo ye nokwafo. It is not the talents given to man that matters. What matters is how we use the talents God gave us. How? Saying ye di adwuma. Enya duma chede ahodo no mi de me yewe, minim we, me fa ha, mi si ha. Edien na wo de ye de aboa onyame adwuma no. Ene ne nkoso. Ama onyame adwuma no akoso. God demands us to use the abilities we have to the fullest. Yedi ye dwuma akodru apem mi ehu sampa. Wa ye dwuma no nukrem. Edrumre bia na yabre. Edrumre bia na nipadua na yemre. Edrumre bia na you want to quit. But se uhu so onyame de adoma chede amawa. Opese odi ye dwuma hye ne din kronkron ni monyam. Enti you cannot quit. You cannot quit. You will continue. We want to continue. We want to do our best in spite of the challenges because we don't want to be quitters. Again, a steward should be a person who is faithful in working in the interest of the master. Urano, ni yiedie owura no adwuma nkoso owura no eyiedie hiaw enu nti na wo ye adwuma. Being a steward of God is doing exactly as God has told you to do. Ye onyame ahye yense yenye no enu na ese me no mi enu ye. This will be involved, no? It involves what? Accountability on our part. Being accountable is being what? Trustworthy. Accountability. Ubi onyame adwuma, yedu onyame adwuma sha wonsa, onyame hwehwe accountability, especially wonga wo yesika ho adwuma, ye bo afode ani wie ya asafoma pesi ye hunu ye nyaaye, ye hunu ye nyaaye nso, ye pesi ye hunu sampa, sika no kwa sorry dan, ya mfa anya bibia enka ho. Yedi sika no ye onyame adwuma sene ye onyame hwe enu nti yenya ye di asori anim no, we have responsibility and we are accountable to the church members. We should always know that. So far as we should always be ready. Say, ye be accountable to them. E was ye accountable to them. E was ye di no kre. Emu sampa. Sika no omde amaye no. Anye kwa. Ti bre biara ye ba for die, bre biara ye masafoma edi sika e maye emye di aye onyame adwuma. E was ye nsu ehunu say we have a responsibility. We are accountable to them and to God. Ye this can ye biara ye bebu hon konta. Do de uyu sika wi a wawie wo de. Wanga wo je ye no. Womo so ni odi be ye biara onyame hwehwe se obebu hon konta. Accountability. Our purpose in life is to serve God, and since God created everything, our lives should be focused on God. Ya se trinity na sa asisu nyina no. Ye di eni betu nyame so. Yedi eni be si onyame so. Ye be ye onyame adwuma, ye be ye na pedie. Our purpose in life is to serve him. And stewardship is a position of great trust and what? Responsibility. Eye dwumadia e call for the ahofama no kredie na fe hu se adwuma da wo so. Onyame de adwuma hye wonsa. Na so onyame de adwuma hye mensa. That is why the Bible teaches that the number one requirement of a steward is what? Faithfulness. You will free fear for. And yes, one masika kesi why you say unukri die. Ebela for die. And nunu nyame. Faithful stewards manage the possessions that God has entrusted to them. Ejapadia onyame dia mayeno. Enam si enim se ye onyame na dia maye ni ekobu hon content no nya ye wo biara ye hwe ni ye e de ye adwuma ye ma titiem ye nyankasa ye ni padua ye surroundings ecology sika ebre onyame no kure e de na ye de ye our possession ni onyame dia maye biara o se de ye adwuma no kurem hye na nimonyam. Faithful stewards manage the people God entrusts to them. We are no quarry of fearful. Nipa onyame de won ahye won sa no obehwe won yi manage won yi asafo na wodi animu anasa fode mpa ye boyi na wodi animu ne woni asafo ma eka wo kasa chrom enkranhya wo hye won ni nyinara eye onyame hwehwe sa afri won chen that you will love the people. You should treat them with kindness, forgiveness, encouragement, grace and equality. Nipa na ye no mo dile ni nyinara mo bia mfi se won de won ka ho. Emo bia nyen emfeel say wono de ye yinama emo bia nyen se wono de ye yinafrim ene nipakuo bi ne ye no mo yo e basa na de haoba no onyame hwehwe se ofiewefo dwumadia ode ahye wonsa no obe ni ye. Faithful stewards manage the problems God entrusts to them. Cause ye easy asori dan sie ya yesie ye easy enye easy o enye niema nyina na mpanimfo be ka kire mo. Nenso mpanimfo eda no no die project committee for no wo munnim ne omo fam wo munnim wo dadwene wo munnim nenso onyame se wamma wa hoden wamma mu tumi that you will be able to manage. The Spirit of God is with you and therefore you need not be afraid. Move on, go on, excel for the Lord. Onyame de ahye yensa no. Why na nim ne nti ebre ti same. Ene mpanifo eti se no onyame frɛ won so mu ni sa adwumadi anim. Onyame wo botaye. Ti problems beba or how beba mpanifo munnye mu munkoso. Let us by faith endure faithfully by God's grace. Let us be steadfast in our faith with God. 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 10 was about the God of all grace, who has called us into his eternal glory by Jesus. After that ye have suffered a while, make you perfect. Into first Ghana, let us not give up. Ebiani ebo tai baby ani epese ye kom tam ani epese dan yi wie enye ne yentimi wie ye wo chefa me wo chefa committee no so wo chefa. Let's work together. Faithful stewards manage the potentials God entrusts to them. Wo potential. God created you with potential. You have greater capacity than you realize. Sometimes I want you to know, say, you have the potential. You are not alive to merely exist, but to make a difference in your world. Young people, you need to make a difference in your world. Nyasi etiwa ebididi ni anum ni ada ni asori ni edidi ni anum ni ada yehunim ni enti ayewo ha. You have a potential. Unleash your potential in Jesus' name. Yonyame dia ma obiara tumi biara odi ama wo no ewo wu mu no ewo sa odi ye adwuma eboa ma onyame adwuma no ekoso. God created you to accomplish good works for him. God has endowed you with the talents and spiritual gifts to use for his honor and glory. What the amount? I just saw the year Juma. To me, no woman, to me, no the amount. I just saw the year Juma. I just saw ye who be a woman who quite. So by ye Juma, na show yami any monium. And you may. What the year Juma? And you may. Can it be said of you? Can it be said of me that Pastor Sebons, you faithful? Who ye faithful? I remember once talking to a footballer. I said, Pastor, my goal in life is to hear my coach say to me, you are the best footballer I have ever coached. Was it? Pastor, Niami said, me yire me ho afo so me ho aye adwuma me boboro no me exercise me training sa me hwehwe free me coach wa ne se me coach be kasa mpa o mama coach wo mu nyina footballers ama coach wo no wo de wo dambafu a wo de wo ye stronko o se ne wo hwehwe no na me giri se me nso ne me hwehwe free urade ho ne se at the end of the day obeka kire me say Robert me dawase mo akwapa ene no kwafo sekbede kakra hye wonsa no wodi ahode pa wodi nsiye eye madwuma. That is what I expect. Nyame wo biara ma menye no kware dance for ma, and that is what I expect of you. Ye nyinara ne wo nyame hwe free ye ho ne se we are faithful. We are the best. We are those he can count on, those he can depend on. We Christians should also live our lives with a joyful expectation and determination that at the end of the journey, God will say to you, you have been faithful. So you have been faithful. There is really just one requirement of a disciple of Jesus Christ, and that is faithfulness. Faithfulness is all he asks of us. He does not ask us to be successful. Remember, we are not called to be successful. We are called to be what? Faithful. Are you a faithful Christian? Are you trustworthy? Are you responsible? Are you persistent? And are you obedient? Remember, we are not called to be successful. We are called to be what? Faithful. Are you a faithful follower of Jesus Christ? You are free minchano no. Nyase mi nkunim die. Enya wo nkunim die. Enya ne watimi adisu nkunim ananse successes ahodo wadwuma wadisua wadwuma sane yakoso nya no eno onyame hwehwe ni nyina mu no. Ne wo hwehwe pa ni so betimi aka se oh me bay oye no kwafo. Yesi sorry dan. Ofrinsiye mu ofra nwodin mu omhaw ya de emu nyina ne man koye nansu ofri opepam eboa mu onyame adwuma no ekoso ofri opepam eboa ye ema sorry dan ya yesie no yetimi siwie ye enim nipa omo atuom ho asi ho sonko kwan so oye adwuma yi ede boa ye onyame nhira wo na wo so esa wo kasa afo no ho na onyame nhira wo ani nhira no ebroso. Bankers must be honest. Soldiers must be brave. You hear soldier for you hear ongo yakukudro for. Runners must be swift. Wanga wo tumrika e was womu ye swifter. Womu komrika ahon hariso and tempeso. Weightlifters must be strong. Wanga wo mima na dieso e was wo ye strong. Stewards must be faithful. Period. Unyamin shraw. Wow, that you will be faithful, that I will be faithful in whatever he has entrusted in my hands. So trust in your mom pie. Ono kredi doso, onyame kron. Osi ada dani hum niumu. On sakrada. Na sana wo hwesi enso yebeye. Si yebeye no kwafo ama. Yebeye no kware adansefo ama. Yebeye no kwafo yesi kasemu. Yebeye no kwafo ya dagie mu, ya bremu, ye bibiara ya yama obiara no. Ampa weni suni ni peni sono. Yebe hu yensi ye no kwafo. Sebere etwam no yentimi anya no kwafo a yesrew odomfo eja. Sroboafo. Hu ye mobo fa cheye. Enne epesi ye no tentam. Enne epesi ye shawbo. Enne epesi ye kane se epesi ye shasi ye foforo. We are looking for a new start. Nukredie yatra wasafu mu ache. Ensu drumre bia enya no kwafo. Yatra wasafu mu ache. Edrumre bia ye ni nokre. Ye ntimi nyina ma ba ne wasan kaye. Enu nti yesrew fa wonsa to yenso. Ma ye wa ho aden. Unyansa utumi yemfa nye wadwuma nkunim die mu nhye wani mu nyam. Meso se hyira matiefo. Hyira yemfie mu. Hyira ye adwuma so. Hyira ye abusua so. Hyira ye ade ye nyinara so. Na nura wo hyira ye no. Ma yenkae se ebe no kwafo ahye wani mu nyam. O Yesu de mu nti. Amen. God bless you. Thank you.
Pastor, God bless you too.